Hey everyone, this is going to be for all the signs, okay? And this is going to be heart reading. How have you been? Sending you love all the way from planet Earth. Namaste. I'm on Instagram, SASHELLS, Seychelles. Running links are easily available. My Gmail is there. And also, if you wish to donate to the channel, support the channel, tip the channel, whatever word you use, support, okay, you may do so via PayPal and GPay is there, UPI ID is there, okay. Hype, like, share, comment, and definitely share them so that people can come across more and more with the readings. And thank you for being part. So, I'm sorry. Maybe you're dealing with an Aquarius. Okay, I don't know. Maybe Aquarius is listening to me because we do so many Aquarius readings, to be honest, because of the views and everything, right? So, but this is for all and all and all. So, come watch, come watch. Someone is watching you. They are coming, visiting, revisiting your, stories possible because you get only one view. You know that they watched or they viewed, but they are watching it again and again. Possible they are, bookmarking it, or they're just, saving your reels or something like that, and they are watching you. Okay, what was the message? There's some quick communication. There's someone who cannot resist, they cannot wait, and this energy is coming with the fact that they cannot wait. So the wind is going to be there of some messages. Also, I see here wind is going to be here, actual wind, okay, actual. You can see this Three of Wands energy. Oh my god, they are missing you bad. They're missing, someone is like, you're there, there might be, you're their wish, okay, you're their wish. And distance is, yes, distance is there, but something is calling them to connect with you because someone is going crazy and they are getting serious day by day about you or for you, okay. It's going to be connected with, no wonder if they message you or they write to you something that you're not expecting, okay. Someone may end up writing to you, so it's going to be a very soft and subtle message, but no wonder they're going to express what they feel um, for you, okay. Yeah. What they feel for you. Look at this, the Lover's card. Could be Gemini. Also, I'm picking on air because I'm picking on wind. So air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Could be a listener or a dealer here, okay? Or a Scorpio. Okay, Scorpio. Or Libra is also here. Well, not here exactly, but just peekaboos. Okay, the truths. I'm seeing in front of me the word truths, Truths. THS. So it's going to be the truth, okay? Something that you don't know, unaware about certain person, they are going to tell you, they're going to write. And so that's why I said no wonder you're going to see something, you're going to see something, you're going to read something, because you're going to see and read, of course, because they're going to write that to you. Someone is going to write something to you. Then no wonder, don't be surprised. Okay, let's see. Okay. Oh, so number 4 is going to be important, but also you have Four of Swords. While I was shuffling, the card was definitely wanting to come out, but yes, of course, there is something connected with hidden things, hidden feelings, hidden truths. They haven't told you yet, okay? So if someone is taking time at pause because they're not at play, but I soon see that's going to be the play button, okay? Like literally play arrow, and they're going to write to you something, okay? So, and it's going to be something that mm, if people around you, okay, they've been noticing you and this person, sort of like, if it makes sense, or someone connected with you and they know, your people know a little bit, your energies know a little bit about this person, and this person, people and energies, they know about you a little bit, which makes sense if you people connect and there is a rumor kind of. I feel like someone, they are gossiping about you. Now here you go, you haven't and they haven't, like it's not official yet, but they're talking with you, and which makes sense because you people want to keep it like, calm, and you people want to make it like a low profile kind of. So keeping it low profile or keeping it low because you don't want to show off or something like that. What I see here is some important connection and some important communication coming through, and with the wind everything is going to just change in your scenario. Everything is going to change because someone won't be able to wait anymore. With the wind they are going to come, with the wind they are going to tell, with the wind there's going to be announcement, together, of course, mutual. Something is going to be so mutual. Someone is going to be so in love with you. I mean, yes, definitely. Someone is so surprised and they just wonder, wow, like They wonder how come you're so different, how come you're so unique, how come you're so wonderful, and all that stuff, and goes vice versa. So King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. With that being said, you have Eight of Wands energy, and I do feel that something is going, it is coming, darling, with the sun, with some positivity. Okay, a lot of communication, a lot of messages. So if you, like, you've been living in this phase of like, I'm not interested, I'm not interested. Some of you are already like, I'm done with love, I'm done with connection, relationship, or something. You, like, I'm not saying that you cannot decide, but I'm saying, like, they are saying from the other world, they're saying you are no one to decide, darling. You are getting something here, okay? Like, it's going to be so much of knocking, it's going to be so much of convincing, not manipulation, convincing you for all the good reasons. This person is going to wake up from the dream, and they're going to send you messages. There is someone who is going to be, oh my, in love with you. Oh my, okay? It's also giving me the energy of a dove, with the dove being holy, which is everything good. So, yes, some very positive thing I see for you. Cool. Positive communication, I see. Let's see what is coming in the now for you. Can you talk with me? Can you talk with me? Like, this person is so serious that they're not going to say anything. They're not going to say anything just like that. You see this? Like, if they're at pause, if they're at play, they're at pause and not at play, which means that it's not guards up. It's just something, maybe it's yours, maybe it's this person's. They are thinking and they're analyzing their next step, and they are not going to just say anything like that, because what they're about to say to you is going to, like, you know, move. Like, it's going to shake up the earth and shake up the floor, shake up the base beneath your feet, okay, which makes sense because they are going to be coming up with some kind of offer which is like crazy. Like, what? Will you marry me, or will you be with me? Will you marry me is a long term commitment. It's something long term commitment, I can tell you, for some of you, okay? The Hierophant, be Taurus, listener, or a dealer. Yes, something is coming. Very, very much decided. Okay, this is a good decision. Like, they know what they are coming for. They know what they are about to tell you. Okay, exactly. Because it is coming. But are you ready, darling? Okay. Are you ready? Because they are coming. It's my Six of Wands is they are coming to win you over. Okay, and this is my lover coming home. So there is offer. Knight of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Someone is making way towards you with official thing. Like, this is real effort you're going to see in the coming time. In here, look, it's like in this era, in this world, like, definitely in this sanctuary, and especially in era, people have gone crazy with relationship concepts or connections. They just get bored with some, like, every now and then. I just don't understand why there is no consistency, but there are people who are consistent. So you are going to find someone who is going to be consistent. That is the hidden truth about this person. Okay, so let me see what is coming in future. So, like, basically they don't date, or they don't want to go ahead without promising you anything, because they're going to say it and they're going to do it. Okay, what is coming in future? New chapter of your life shall start. If you see close, okay, this particular card was on the cut side, right? So Knight of Cups is doing a peekaboo. There is definitely a beautiful love offer. A caring person is around the corner. They're already there, and this person, I want this. This is going to be the biggest transition. Let's just say that it's a rebirth. It's a beginning. It's beginning, because ending's been done, 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 done. Okay, fine. What else? Scorpio could be, but this is what I want to say is, like, it's beginning. It's birth of something. Okay, this is your card. Birth of love in your life. Ooh. Okay, someone is going crazy. Okay, someone is going crazy for you. Knight of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, listener, or dealer. But you see here, they're not marching, they are embarking. I don't know what to say. They are racing. They're coming with the wind in your life. Okay. Good. they're going crazy and they want to just connect with you and say everything. There's going to be this energy coming all the way in your life to tell you exactly what they are about to say. And they're coming and they haven't done this so far. They're going to say things and even they won't be able to believe that they're saying these things to you. Okay? What? What am I doing? But they're doing. They won't be able to know what am I doing. This is going to be unexpected for this person as well and for you as well. Ah, yes, happy time, happy family time, commitment. Okay, let's see peekaboo in the future. Oh, what? Now the search is over. Virgo could be search is over. Aquarius sign is here. Taurus is here. Scorpio is here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. All listeners are dealers. Okay. So this is a blooming time for you. Okay, blooming time. This particular card is coming. Doing a peekaboo. Oh my God, someone is missing you. Now you know what? There could be, there's no card of like 6 of Cups or 2 of Cups. Okay, but I do feel like you've stopped talking with someone. Okay, and there could be new energy as well for certain people. Okay, but if this is someone totally you'll know. Okay, King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, a listener or dealer. There could be choices of suitors here. Okay, one is going to be just chasing and running back to you or chasing for you, but this is also a choice making that is coming to the Chariot card. Okay, which is interesting because on top of this Hobbit tarot deck, my trip version, there is Chariot. Okay, which is interesting. Making way. Okay, making way. And there is someone who's missing you so bad and they are not going to wait. There is this person who is not going to wait. So when we say that please do not block the traffic, so sit down if you cannot do so. Someone need to stop and they need to sit down, and in front of them someone is going to come and do all the stuff that they should have done if this is a choice making. Okay, and they'll just watch you, but what you're going to do is someone is going to take you away. Like, I'm going to come and take you away, my princess. Okay, I'm going to come and take you away with an offer. Okay, so let me see something from here. So what is coming for all the signs? For all. Very beautiful, loving offer. I see at least. Someone is going crazy. Someone is going to be just pulling up the strings of their chariot and making way towards you. This is the card they want to flip. There's very much like, what to say, there's clarification, there is clear communication coming through, there is clear communication coming through, there's initiation of something beautiful in your life. Everything is going to just wow, just look at this. Okay, Ace of Swords, communication. Okay, someone has decided they're coming with like, this is what I want to offer you. Okay, and there is someone who is going to regret losing you. I'm telling you that they're going to regret losing you, darling, because you are going to just have the communication. Someone is coming with the truth. They're going to tell you exactly what's on their mind, and they're going to place this whatever I need to say, and then you decide. Okay, it's in your, just decide. Okay, I care. Decide. You decide, darling. Take care and see you soon. Bye bye.